These are some beautiful pictures from Melghat and Gadchiroli, the tribal regions of Maharashtra. But behind this stunning beauty lies tragic truth. In this region, one child dies every alternate day. Infant mortality rate is so high that it is double the state average. To solve this, our first instinct is to say build more hospitals, send more doctors from outside. But hospitals are already there. The key factor behind this tragedy lies low doctor to population ratio of one doctor for 7,000 people as compared to 1 is to 1200 for the state. And whatever doctors are there who come from outside, they rarely stay. So the real solution for this problem is cultivating healthcare professionals from these communities itself. But फिर क्यों नहीं बन पा रहे डॉक्टर यहाँ से? Answer is simple. The NEET examination coaching cost around rupees 2 to 4 lakh, which is unaffordable to these communities. And ये community के लोग अपने बच्चे डॉक्टर बनेंगे ये ड्रीम भी नहीं देख पाते. Also they lack ecosystem, which is required to get success in such examination and continue higher medical education. This is where Lift for Upliftment comes into the picture. We had been trying to solve this problem since 2015. LFU was started by my friends and me when we were studying MBBS in BJ Medical College, Pune. We provide free NEET coaching in a residential mode for underprivileged and tribal students across two branches. One is in Pune and another is the Ulgulan branch, which is designed specifically for tribal students from remote tribal regions of Melghat and Gadchiroli. Here, 22 months of rigorous coaching is being provided to the students. Holistic ecosystem, which take care of coaching, study materials, accommodation, food, one-on-one mentorship, and even this support is continued after NEET right up to their medical degree. That is NEET ke saath bhi or NEET ke baad bhi. All this with lot of care and dignity of beneficiaries. Our faculty consists of practicing doctors, medical students, and alumni who were once toppers in NEET examination and also come from topmost medical colleges across Maharashtra. And even then, the total budget for our faculty of salaries is just zero. What makes LFU unique is that our entire coaching is being done by volunteers. In a year, over 200 volunteers contribute around 3,000 hours of teaching. And while doing this, even their own personal growth is not hampered. Look at me. While doing all of this, I have passed my MBBS examination and even cracked UPSC Civil Services examination. Does it work? Let's meet Durgesh. He's from remote Melghat region. His family earning meager rupees 35,000 annually and with no orientation or awareness about the NEET. He got holistic support of LFU. He cracked NEET, cleared his MBBS, and he has joined his own Melghat region as a medical officer. And this is not one of a story. Since 2015, we have taught 480 students. Out of that, 311 students have won medical seat. 65% selection rate, that is highest among any private coaching industry in India, and more than half are girls. We are not done it. There is a long way to go. Our goal is to scale up this model at India level in a gradual manner. Then what is stopping us? Currently, our Ulgulan branch runs in a 3-story rented building. We can take only 30 students and can serve only 2 tribal regions. Every year, over 100 deserving tribal students are turned away, not because they lack ability, but we do not have sufficient infrastructure. Hence, we have already acquired 4.8 acres of land. Our volunteers are ready. Our building plan is ready. We need rupees 5 crore for phase 1 of this campus. This beautiful state-of-art infrastructure will help us to take our intake capacity from current 60 to 200 students. The outcomes will be minimum 60 medical admissions per year. And by 2040, your financial contribution will help to make 600 plus MBBS and 200 plus paramedics going back to serve their own communities. And remember, one such doctor also uplifts around 15 people around them. The whole family is uplifted out of generational poverty. A whole village gets their own youth as doctors and a new hope that no more children die. So the real choice is this. Do we continue sending temporary solutions from outside or help this community to cultivate their own healers? So Let us come together and help making future doctors from tribal belts of India and transform healthcare outcomes of these regions. Thank you.